Hello, good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss with group 16 elements important questions. First question is elements of group 16 generally show lower value of first ionization enthalpy compared to the corresponding periods of group 15. Why? They are asking group 16 elements have lower ionization energy compared to group 15. Why? This is the question. Because according to the trends in the periodic table, when moving from left to right, the ionization enthalpy will increase because the size of the atom will decrease from left to right. But some anomalous property, group 15 have higher ionization enthalpy than group 16. Why? This is the question. Because on moving from left to right, the ionization enthalpy steeply increase. But here 15th group have more ionization enthalpy than 16th group. Why? This is the question. This is due to the extraordinary stability of groups 15 element is due to exactly half filled p orbitals. So large amount of energy needed to remove the electron from the 15th group. But in the case of 16th group, there are 4 electrons present in the valence shell. So one unpaired electron is present. Therefore, the stability will be decreased. There is no symmetry in that position. We learned in 11th standard the exactly half filled orbitals are highly stable and fully filled orbitals are highly stable because they have equal energy distribution and they have symmetrical arrangement. Therefore, they are stable. Let us see the example. The extra exactly half filled p orbitals are more stable due to symmetrical arrangement and equal energy and same spin of the electrons. Exactly half filled are most, therefore more energy required to remove the electron of group 15 compared to group 16. Group 15 compared to group 16. In group 16 there is no exactly half filled p orbitals. Next one is example. Let us see one example. Nitrogen atomic number 7. Electronic configuration is equal to example. Electronic configuration is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, p of x, p of y, p of z. 1, 2, 3. This valence electron exactly half filled p orbitals. Group 16, this is group 15 element. Then group 16, let us see group 16. O2, example oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 1s2, 2s2, p of x, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Here also 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 unpaired electrons are there, unpaired electrons. So this is the example, exactly half filled p orbitals. Exactly half filled p orbitals are more stable. Exactly half filled p orbitals are more stable. ARE are more stable due to symmetrical arrangement and equal energy EN ERGY and the same spin of the electron. Therefore, more energy required to remove the electron of group 15 compared to group 16. In group 16, there is no exactly half-filled p orbitals. Example, in the case of nitrogen, outermost electronic configurations, so atomic number 7, electronic configurations 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. See, the p orbitals, 3 electrons are filled. 3 electron is exactly half filled orbitals, p orbitals. This will have equal energy, same spin, symmetry. These 3 conditions satisfied. Therefore, this has high stable. So more energy needed to remove the 1 electron from the outermost shell. Here in the case of oxygen, it is group 16, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 4 electron present in the p orbital. It is not exactly half filled. There is no same spin. Energy of this will be more than this. Therefore, unsymmetrical arrangement taking place. Unsymmetry always leads to less energy. So easily electron from the outermost shell is removed. This is the reason why group 15 element has higher ionization enthalpy when compared to group 16. Question number 2. H2S is less acidic than H2TE. This is the question number 2. Students, hydrogens are moving down the group 16. Starts with oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. On moving down the group, atomic size increases. If the atomic size increases, means bond distance increases. Bond distance increases. From top to bottom. The bond distance increases and hence bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. From top to bottom. See, the question is H2S is less acidic than H2TE. Why? H2TE, the order is H2TE is more acidic than H2SE, then H2S, then H2O. This is the order of acidity. I will tell you the reason. On moving down the group, the atomic size increases. The atomic size increases means the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell is increased. Size of the atom increases means the attraction between the nucleus of one element and the outermost shell of the other element will be weaker. Therefore, less energy needed to break the bond. If the atomic size is smaller, the attraction between the nucleus and the neighboring atom will be very heavy. Therefore, more energy needed to break the bond. So, moving down the group, bond dissociation enthalpy BDE decreases because bond dissociation enthalpy is inversely proportional to atomic radius. If atomic radius increases, bond dissociation energy decreases. Reason is, if the atomic size increases, means effective nuclear charge will decrease. Therefore, the attraction between the nucleus and the neighboring atom will be weaker, less energy needed to break the bond. So, water, in the case of water, the attraction between the more electronegative oxygen and hydrogen is very strong. Therefore, more energy needed to break the bond, because highly electronegative elements are very small size. Therefore, they have more effective nuclear charge. So, they hold the neighboring atoms electron very strongly. So, more energy needed to break the bond. So, from top to bottom, bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. H2S has higher bond dissociation enthalpy. This is the reason. Bond dissociation enthalpy. H2S has higher bond dissociation enthalpy than H2TE. So, very little bit when hydrogen telluride is dissolved in water, hydrogen is removed very quickly. The hydrogen are furnished very quickly by tellurium ions. Therefore, it is highly acidic. In the case of water, the strong bond between hydrogen and oxygen takes place because of high electronegativity of oxygen. In the case of hydrogen telluride, polonium is a radioactive element, so we will not discuss about that. In the case of hydrogen telluride, the bond distance between tellurium ion and hydrogen is too long. So whenever it dissolved in water, hydrogen will easily come out from tellurium. So that is why it is acidic. Acid is the one which readily donates hydrogen ion. This is the answer. Correct answer related to this question. H2S is less acidic than H2TE. You have to draw the diagram. When moving down the group, atomic size increases. If atomic size increases, means the bond distance increases from top to bottom. If the bond distance increases, means first point, second point, and the third point, bond dissociation enthalpy decreases, because the fourth point, bond dissociation enthalpy is inversely proportional to atomic radius. And the fifth point is H2S has higher bond dissociation enthalpy than H2TE. And the order, sixth point is this one. So this is the correct answer for second question. Next question, which form of sulfur shows paramagnetic behavior? Actually, sulfur is rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur. One is crown shape, other one is chair shape, S8, S6. All those things we learned in the chapter. One more question is, which form of sulfur shows paramagnetic behavior? At vapor state, in vapor state, 1000 Kelvin, sulfur exists as S2 molecule. Actually, in the normal state, sulfur will be in S8 or S6 form, but in vapor state, it will be S2 molecule. Has two unpaired electrons present in the antibonding pi star molecular orbital. So if it containing unpaired electron, S2 is paramagnetic. Therefore, S2 is paramagnetic. What do you mean by paramagnetism? Paramagnetic compound means a compound attracts the north and south pole of the magnet towards itself. Suppose here I have my compound S2. Here north pole is there, north pole, south pole. Here south pole, north pole of two magnets, permanent magnets. Magnet. So what happened? The attraction takes place. Attraction takes place. Attraction. Here also attraction. So this is the thing. A paramagnetic substance is the one which attracts the magnetic poles. A diamagnetic substance is the one which repels the magnetic force. Paramagnetic behavior of sulfur is due to the presence of unpaired electron present in the vapor stage of S2 molecules in the antibonding molecular orbital. Question number 3. Give reason SF6 is not hydrolyzed thermodynamically. Question number 4. SF6 not hydrolyzed thermodynamically, it should be. So simply SF6 is not hydrolyzed, but thermodynamically it should be hydrolyzed. Why? This is the question. Give reason for this. In SF6 molecule, sulfur is surrounded by 6 fluorine atoms. So more steric hindrance. Steric hindrance is maximum in SF6. So it avoids the water molecule. Fluorine atom avoids the water molecule to attack the sulfur molecule, sulfur atom. Second reason, fluorine does not have vacant d orbital to accept the electron donated by water molecule. These are the two reasons. SF6 under normal condition is not hydrolyzed, but thermodynamically it should be. So first reason number 1, fluorine is sulfur is sterically bounded by sulfur atom is bounded by 6 fluorine leads to steric hindrance. So water molecule not able to attack sulfur atom. This is the first reason. Second reason, furthermore, fluorine has no vacant d orbitals to accept the electron donated by water molecule. These are the two reasons that SF6 are not hydrolyzed easily. See, in case of fluorine, atomic number 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p5. Here, no absence of d orbitals. 1, 2, 3. No d orbitals. Because of small size of fluorine. Only p orbitals present in fluorine. There is no d orbitals in fluorine because of small size of fluorine and high electronegativity. So SF6 is not hydrolyzed because sulfur is surrounded by 6 fluorine atoms, which does not allow the water molecule to attack the sulfur atom. Furthermore, fluorine has no vacant d orbital to accept the electron donated by water molecule. And fluorine atomic number 9, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. There is no vacant d orbital, therefore it does not accept the electron donated by water molecule. Thank you, students.